Having commonly defined business terms in your company is great. Having access to them from anywhere is even better. The new Accurity Browser Dictionary feature connects your business glossary to your browser. With just one click, this browser extension taps into your business term list and scans for matches in any text you are reading online. Any match that is found is highlighted, and a pop-up definition box will show its glossary definition directly in the browser. The Accurity Browser Dictionary doesn't only take business terms out of your business glossary, it also takes you into it. Click on a highlighted business term to open your data catalogue and business glossary solution and see all the information about the business term. Anywhere, anytime. Have your business terms at hand, anywhere, anytime. Find Browser Dictionary now in Accurity. Check our website at accurity.ai to learn more about the benefits that our new features can bring to you.